Hello friends, first of all welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be discussing about angel number 222, or what happens when 222 comes in your grid. Okay, first of all, prior moving ahead, I'll request you to please watch this video till end, because I have discussed angel number 222, or you can say 222 in numerology with the help of example also, right? So first of all, we'll be seeing what kind of grid we will follow. We'll follow this grid. Here it will be 3 1 9 6 7 5 2 8 and 4. We'll be following this grid. Okay, now what happens when triple two comes into your grid, into your numerology grid, you can say, right? So you might have heard about angel number 222, and you would have heard many things about this topic. But today, whatever I'm telling you, whatever I'm going to deliver, you'll be able to match it with your life, right? We'll be discussing the combination of few things here later on. So first we'll be talking about number 2 single. Okay, number 2 is ruled by moon, and it's a female planet, right? It's a female planet. Same, since it is a female planet, it number 2 do have lot of motherly instincts, right? Number 2 are very creative in nature. Number 2 in numerology shows love. It's motherly love. It's motherly love, right? Further, it shows if you are having 2 in your grid, means you will always get a helping hand. There'll be some kind of, you can say, either you'll receive a helping hand from your colleague. Otherwise, it will be like some supernatural powers or some spiritual powers are helping you. You'll be able to feel in this way. Now, they are, other thing is they do have a very positive aura. Few negative things about number 2 are they do have lack of confidence. Now, lack of confidence is there, but if a positive number is there in the grid, in this numerology grid, if there is a positive number with the number 2, it is going to help you in increasing your confidence. It will help you to overcome the lack of confidence, right? Other thing is that depression. If you do have lot of 2 in your this grid, numerology grid, a person tend to have depressive problems. Okay, lot of depression is there. They get addicted to something, right? Some kind of addiction will be there. Now what happens when 2 becomes triple 2? This will be seeing with the help of example. Suppose your date of birth is 2202 1991. When the destiny comes out to be, we'll add all these number to get the destiny, all these number, right? 2 2 4 6 7 8. The destiny number is 8. Now I told you that we will be using this numerology grid, 319675, sorry, 319675284. We'll be using this grid. Now what happens when triple two comes here? Now see, if we'll start filling the number in this grid, what we'll get, 2 will come here, other 2 will come here, this one, sum of these things 4, it will come here. Again, there is 2 in your month, it will come here. Now in this grid we do not consider these things. Please remember that in this grid we do not use, we do not fill initials of the year. We only fill this 91, right? 9 will come here and 1 will come here. And since destiny is there, then this will come here. Now see, this we were talking about this number triple two. Now I told you that it is a female number, so in triple two they'll be very attractive. First thing, we first will talk about the positive traits. They will always get a helping hand. They do have a very positive aura. They are very creative, very loving, very helpful in nature. But but If we talk about negative characteristics of angel number 222, if whatever case you do, you whether is you call it as angel number 222 or you call it as multiple two, the worst part is they have lack of confidence, or they need push in life. You know, everything is very good apart from these two or three things. Everything in triple two, angel number triple two is good. The only problem with triple two is the person do have lack of confidence. They need push in life. Moreover, they need attention wherever they go. They'll try to catch the attention of other person, although they will be successful because they do have a very positive aura. But only the problem is that they comes into depression if no one gives attention to them. The worst part of triple two is depression. In this case, see, as earlier I told you, the negativity, which is the depression or lack of confidence, here it is being fulfilled by 1 and 9. So in this case, angel number triple two will be very good. Why? Because the confidence and confidence is getting covered up by 1 and 9. The negative traits of triple two are being overcome by 1 and 9, right? So in this case, this will be good case. Now suppose, let us suppose, if we put it as 2 here, right? Now we'll remove 1 from here. It comes to be 9. It becomes double 9 and it becomes triple two. Now this condition is worst. In this case, since destiny 9 was, this person will be very emotional, super emotional. They are unable to move ahead in life just because of lack of confidence. In this case, since this person do not have any male number, so it is going to create a problem. It is going to create a big problem for this person. He may get addicted also. He may get addicted to something, and it will be very difficult for him or her to leave the attention. Everybody says that angel number triple two is like, everybody trying to love them. Yes, it is true, but yes, this is also true in the case that when triple two is there in a grade. Suppose, sorry, it became 4 time. We'll put it as 4 here. Okay, now this comes here. Suppose with destiny 2 and triple two is coming, means it is more dangerous. Number of two, increment in number of 2. See, I'll tell you a short formula for this. As number 2 increases, all the characteristics increases, but the person becomes very depressive. Person do have lack of confidence. Please consider this thing. They will have lack of confidence if and only if any of the male numbers are not present in the numerology grid, then only they will get lack of confidence. Otherwise it will be compensated in some or other way, right? They always need push in life. As number of 2 increases, they always need push in life. They need attention. And one special thing I'll tell you about angel number triple two is that, they are, in today's world, they are selfie takers. They'll take a selfie, they will upload it in Facebook. They will take a selfie, they will upload it in Insta. They are very frequent users of social networking site, very frequent users. If they do have angel number triple two, are very frequent user of triple site. They are, kind of they'll always take a selfie. Whatever they are doing, they will update the same thing on Insta or on your Facebook account. You can check it out. Okay, so if you want numerology or astrology classes, you may please contact me on below numbers. And please let me know in the comment section whether these things resembles with you or not. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much.